Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I am super excited today to share with you that I have finally completed my mini monthly budget kit. And so I used the dimensions from the mini budget planner from the Happy Planner, and then some of the other pages that you can purchase for the Happy Planner or other inserts such as that line paper. So that's kind of where I got my dimensions from. But if your planner is anywhere near the size of a mini Happy Planner, then you should be able to use this kit just fine. So I'm flipping through the mini budget planner just so you guys can see from where I drew, not my inspiration, but you know, some of the ideas, I guess. And I actually gave away this planner, so it's on its way out the door, but I do have it here just for a reference. I also have with me the seasonal mini Happy Planner, and I'm actually going to be laying down stickers in the seasonal mini Happy Planner because that belongs to me. And again, like I said, I did give away the other planner. So I'm laying down the top washi, and I like the washi to stretch the width of the page, and I didn't like how that looked really, so I brought it back up and I tried it again, and that is that premium matte paper, so it's way easier to remove than the glossy. So I basically shrank all of the stickers. I kept the same template pretty much, and I tried to squeeze as many stickers onto that one sheet as possible, and it is literally cram packed. So no other stickers are going to fit inside of that kit. I mean on that sheet, unless I ditch some and replace them with other stickers, obviously. So I tried to maximize the space like I typically do. So I'm just laying down a bunch of those stickers just to see how they line up. I later add the pen because I like to see how that looks. Now my handwriting is probably much bigger than most people's, so I figure if my handwriting works, then other people's handwriting will probably work too. What I think I may do is scoot over the plus or minus signs for both of those little washi strips, just because I think it will, you know, give a little bit more space and, you know, make that little section just a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. So what I'm doing now is adding more washi to the back of that page. Like I said, I just want to test out the stickers. This is my second test, like I mentioned earlier, and like I mentioned earlier, typically I get it right on the second test, but like I said, I just want to make sure. So if you're using the mini budget planner, there's actually a little section for goals, but the goals section is for next month's goals, which I don't really understand. Now obviously you can just mark it out and use it for the current month's goals, or you can potentially just use these little stickers if you're purchasing the kit, obviously. The goal stickers are the same, I just shrank them down as well. So I'm popping that line paper right into the right before the dashboard, because that seems to be a safe place to put it, just to kind of have it out of the way. At this point, I am laying down stickers just to see how they fit. I like the way that they fit. I did not want them to be the entire width of the boxes. That just looks a little cluttered to me, and I just find that having a little bit of breathing room, a little bit of space, just looks more aesthetically pleasing. So I shrank down the Bill Do stickers, and I shrank them to a size to where we could fit 2 of them in one box using the mini Happy Planner dimensions, of course. I also shrank the Payday stickers, so they look so cute. They just look so cute in mini size. I guess I just love everything mini. I also did a thing because during my first test run, I noticed that, well, first of all, if there are 2 paydays on one day, it wasn't going to be possible to mark them with 2 of the normal width payday stickers from the kit. So I went back in and I made a really small payday stickers. I may add another one, try to squeeze in another one, but I added a really tiny one in case there are 2 paydays on one day. Also, we do have a starting balance sticker, for which I obviously had to ditch all of the letters past the letter L in order for it to fit. We also have a savings total. We have a credit score, I think, baby step, and I think we have an ending balance sticker. I mean, I'm saying I think as if I don't have the kit right here. Let me see. No, we have baby step, starting balance, and savings total. Where's our other stickers? Okay, well, I'm going to go in and add an ending balance, and I'm going to add in a credit score because I don't see them on here, so I don't know what I've done. So I will tweak that and add those in as well. Also, I may change the pastel design, haven't decided, but I think it's kind of cute. Anyhow, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.